Lo sa dashi dele Philippine yon la ning thangwan dash dele ane chilo ni do gyada ngapjunga ji shingdu lo la ane phemi changmo lo la ane kuso debu thangbo yongege ni dashi melam ye ane di nyamdala ane da kasa gensen da wande therapy chijogi ane video chunji ji ane kenamba ane motu ni siruna 다시 도전하는 상물로 다시보다 된주 용에게 다시 멜람에도 못은.
Okay, so
Miss Sima, can you please explain me what you're gonna do?
so I'm gonna do language for learning
Okay.
with Wangdan.
Okay.
And it teaches.
Can I just see 1 second?
Sure. It
Oh,
teaches expressive
okay.
and receptive language.
Okay.
And so it's great because it touches on his pronouns, prepositions, features of items, functions of items.
Okay.
So it's a great, well-rounded program.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. Ready? All right. Wangdan. It's time for some actions. Let's all stand up. What are you doing?
I'm standing up, and
Wow.
you're standing up.
Wow, I love how you said the whole thing. Okay, now let's sit down. What am I doing?
You're sitting down, and I'm sitting down.
Holy cow. Great, saying the whole thing. All right, are we standing up?
We are two of you are not standing.
Okay, are we standing up? No, we are not standing up.
We are not standing up. We
Are
are
we-
sitting.
So, are we standing up?
No, we are not standing up.
That's right. Are we sleeping?
No, we are not sleeping.
Good. What are we doing?
We are. Me and Miss Sima are sitting.
Yeah, so what are we doing? We.
We are sitting.
Good. What are we doing?
We are sitting.
Good. We are sitting down. All right. Let's do the days of the week. This is going to be easy peasy. There are 7 days in a week. How many days in a week?
Huh? 7.
Good. Okay. Can you tell me the 7 days of the week? Go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Amazing. All right. We're going to talk about top and bottom. So let's take a look. I've got this notebook here. Now look what I'm going to do. I have a mark at the top of this paper. It's at the top of this paper. Where is the mark?
On top of the paper.
Good, at the top of this paper. Now my turn. Is the mark at the top of the paper?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Hang on a second. Let's do this again. Is this mark on the top of the paper?
The mark is not on top of the paper.
No, the mark is not on the top of the paper. Is this mark on the top of the paper?
The mark is on top of the. This mark is on top of the paper.
Right, this mark is on top of the paper. Good. All right, let's move on to the next. Let's do some prepositions. Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you need to shake out your arms? Do we need to wake you up here? Shake out your arms, get those sillies out. Ready? All right, here we go. Hold your hand on your head. Where are you holding your hand?
On my head.
Good. Say the whole thing.
I'm holding. I'm holding my hand. My hand on my head.
Good. That's right. Hold your hand over your head. So hold your hand over your head. Good. Where are you holding your hand?
Over my head.
Good. Say the whole thing.
I'm holding over the head.
So listen again. I am holding my hand over my head. Your turn.
I'm holding my hand over my head.
Good. Hold your hand on your foot. Where are you holding your hand?
On my foot.
Good. Say the whole thing.
I'm holding my hand on my foot.
Great. Nice saying the whole thing. All right. Let's do these ones here. Let's look at the pictures. We're going to talk about all the things in this picture. When I touch something, you tell me about it. Ready? What is this?
This is an apple.
Great, saying the whole thing. What is this?
This is a leaf.
Good. What is this?
This is a bear.
What sound does a bear make?
War sound.
Yeah, right. What is this?
This is an axe.
Good. What is this?
This is a turtle.
Good. Hey, tell me the parts of a turtle.
Shell, legs, tail, eyes, mouth.
Amazing.
And nose.
Amazing. And what is this?
Elephant.
Say the whole thing.
This is an elephant.
Great. This is an
It
elephant.
has legs. This is an apple. This is not 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 an apple.
Oh.
This is not an
Okay.
apple.
Okay. All right. Save it. Got so much energy. All right. Now here we go. You're going to tell me if I touch the front of the shoe. Ready? Is this the front of the shoe?
Yes.
Is this the front of the shoe?
No.
Is this the front of the shoe?
No.
Is this the front of the shoe?
No.
Good. Now you're going to tell me if I touch the front of the cat. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, don't let me fool you. Is this the front of the cat?
No.
Is this the front of the cat?
No.
Is this the front of the cat?
Yes.
Yes. Is this the front of the cat?
No.
No, it's not. All right. Now we're going to move on
Calm
to
down.
opposites. Big and not big. Are you ready?
Okay.
All right. What are these?
Apple.
You're right. These are apples. Now I'll show you the apples that are big. Here we go. This apple is big.
Yes.
This apple.
apple's big.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you. Shh. This apple is big.
Yeah.
This apple is big. Shh. Now it's your turn. Is this apple big?
This apple is small.
Could see the whole thing. Wow. Is this apple big?
This apple is big.
Is this apple big?
This apple, another apple is big.
So is this apple big?
Yes.
Yes, it is big. Is this apple big?
No.
No, it's
So-
not. Say the whole thing.
This apple is small.
Good. Or you can say this apple is not big. Say the whole thing.
This apple is not big.
Yeah, this apple is not big. Here we go.
Bigger.
Okay. I'll tell you about these pictures. Shh. This is a motorcycle. What is it?
This is a motorcycle.
This is a stove. What is it?
This is a stove.
Hey, what room do you find a stove in?
Kitchen.
Great. This is a ship. What is this?
This is a ship.
Great. And this is a couch. What is it?
This is a couch.
What room do you find a couch in?
The living room.
Amazing. In the living room. Now you're going to tell me about these pictures. What is this?
This is a motorcycle.
Great. Saying the whole thing. What is this?
This is a stove.
What is this?
This is a Titanic.
Okay. And a Titanic is a type of what?
Ship.
Ship. And what is this?
This is a cat.
This is a cat?
This is a couch.
This is a couch. What's on the couch?
Cat.
Yeah, there's a cat on
There's
the
a
couch.
cat on the couch.
You're right. There is a cat on the couch. Okay, that was amazing, buddy. Way to go.
Thank you.